credit report tip of the day. You can use pledging shares as a strategy to support the health of your credit profile rather than strain it. By working with your broker to borrow against the value of your stock portfolio, you can access capital without adding traditional debt that relies heavily on your credit report. So whether your shares are listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, Barbados Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange, or Toronto Stock Exchange, this approach allows you to fund growth, cover large expenses, or invest in new opportunities without increasing credit utilization or opening multiple new credit lines. The result is a more balanced strategy where your assets provide liquidity, your shares remain invested, and your credit report stays positioned for future borrowing when it truly matters.